doubt Thurman's ability to run the tape measure now. This could go on for months. Class, father versus son. Mr. Sagro would like to run his tractor in this pole right after Virgil and see what it can do. No problem there. Virgil Bishop popping away now on his John Deere 530. Let's try to stuff him. Representing the Bishop family from over Nash Ridge Way. Winners of the tractor pull in Fairville a couple years back. That's all he's going to do. Big attempt by Virgil Bishop. 1958 John Deere 530. Pretty tractor. This is going to be good. I happen to know all these guys are friends, and there's going to be a little talking and yakking going on and beer buying.